Hey everyone, welcome to Animaker. So what's this tool all about? Well, it lets us create AI-powered animated videos. Got it? It's AI-driven, and they say Animaker is the world's most complete animation and video creation tool. You can choose from various animated styles, including vector animation and presentation-like formats. Okay? They're showing lots of examples. Who's it for? It's for course creators, HR teams, marketing and sales, internal comms, and pretty much everyone else. They claim it's top-notch products for top-notch creators, and honestly, it looks pretty impressive. So let's hit register and start using the tool. Alright, so we're in here now, and as you can see, we're already able to create our first video, but we can also go to the dashboard, okay? And there they'll tell us, well, what we're about and what we want to do with this tool, got it? So basically, we answer these questions to help them optimize their platform and better target it to their customers, right? So here we are inside Animaker. As you can see from the dashboard, we can create videos from scratch, generate voiceovers, create animated slides, generate AI subtitles, and more. Alright, let's create our first project or video in Animaker. We'll simply click here to create from scratch. Generally, we'll want to make animated cartoons. Let's go with horizontal cartoons, okay? Now we click on Create New Project, alright? The project is being created. Let's wait. In a moment, you'll see they'll ask us a few quick questions. There we have it, okay? Made with Animaker. As you can see, we can now start creating our own video, right? Here we have styles, which are basically the characters we can choose from. If we hit play, they should theoretically move. There it is, see? That small movement. We have smart movement here to configure different ways of moving, okay? We click apply, and we have smart movement up here. We can edit the smart movement, right? So instead of moving randomly, it moves when we tell it to, okay? Or it can rotate, for example. We can make it do actions like sitting, looking angry, standing normally, or scratching. We can add text, alright? We can add a background, okay? We can even generate the background using AI, apparently. We can use this whiteboard, for instance. We can create images also with AI if we want, okay? However we like. We can add videos too, just the same, alright? All of these are stock videos. And here we have the timeline, see? This monkey will stay until we say so. If we want it to last till here, it'll be 5 seconds and should vanish after, as you just saw, okay? There it stays. Keep in mind that character animations don't last forever, okay? We have sections for music and effects, alright? There doesn't seem to be a transition section, but that's okay. We can also create our own character. In the character section, click create your own character and start building without any issues. We choose the cartoon style here. Let's say, I don't know, this one. And from all these options, whichever we like most, we can use this one. Here we can customize the skin, okay? We can also customize the hair, for example, alright? The jaw, eyes, nose, we can customize those, okay? The mouth too, and so on, got it? When done, hit save and we can use it for the project, okay? It's that simple. As you can see, we can create new scenes here, alright? We have this scene, so let's create a new one, okay? Now we have a second scene. We can delete, add, or duplicate scenes as we like. The beauty of scenes is they're like different shots, and we can see them here on the right, okay? These are the transitions between scenes, okay? Just click here and it's done. There's not much more to say about making a video. It's all quite intuitive. You grab an image, drag it here, and can start talking about it. You might ask, how do I layer things? Well, I have a character here and an image here. Basically, zoom in, right-click, and you can adjust position to bring it back, okay? Like this. So everyone can do what they want. Here we can adjust size, make small tweaks, replace images, adjust transparency, move items, fix position, delete, and more. It's that simple. How can we use Animaker AI to create our video in seconds? Well, it's basically a bit... Actually, it's not that hidden. We can generate animations here with AI. Just click generate, okay? If not, we go to templates, right? In templates, we have many pre-made ones we can use, or we can generate with animaker.ai. Here it'll ask us what we want to do. If we want, it's not fully visible, is it? Service explanation, okay? For example, if we want to make a training video, we select this and describe our service. Let's say AI course services, okay? Services for an AI course. We click to generate a video, alright? We have 0 out of 5, as you can see. Obviously, generating content with AI incurs some costs, which they show us, and they display it right there. So what's the name? It's on-click tutorial. What problems does it solve? It solves automations, or rather, it handles repetitive tasks. Here, they ask us various questions that we'll answer, and once we're done, we'll click proceed to create. That's when Animaker.ai will start creating our video, okay? If we want testimonials, we could upload an image, but here we'll just put, I love it, okay? This is where testimonials would appear. Very helpful, amazing, okay? And these would be the comments. Now we click proceed to create, okay? The tool itself will create everything, so that's perfect. Now let's wait. There's our video, okay? If we hit play, it seems to have music, okay? And they tell us, if you have issues with that, well, meet. Here we put our logo, how it works, and so on, okay? So it's done quite well with the animations and all that. Now we click on advanced editing to edit the project freely, alright? There we have it. We've got all the tools and everything from the video to edit as needed. We can add our logo, change text, or even translate the table if we want. So it's that simple. Pretty easy, right? At least it seems so to me. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. So let's check out the pricing plans for this tool. We'll head to the pricing section of Animaker. Honestly, as a review, I think it's a really great tool. You know, we've seen some pretty cool projects. Let me see if I can show you a bit of what we've been working on in the project section. Look, there's a project right there. See, plus the AI we can use to create projects in Animaker works incredibly well. Here's an example of a presentation made with AI. Alright, let's see if it plays. It's cool how the character animates and adds presentation text. There it is. See? Watch the animations and text. They even ask questions about our product for more info, okay? And that way we can make a solid project. Now, let's check out the payment plans I had. Let's go to pricing and see what they charge. They're charging us $15 a month. We'll pay monthly, $27 for 10 AI generations per month. Pretty good deal, about $3 per AI generation. 5-minute videos, 5 premium downloads monthly, HD quality, whiteboard animations, text-to-speech and more. Then there's $45 a month, which seems quite steep for a tool like this. It offers 20 AI generations monthly and 15-minute videos, which is great for longer presentations. Yes, it's true that well, it can be interesting. I'm not saying you can't use this tool for long presentations, but I think for a longer presentation, you'll likely have to do more work yourself individually, obviously, right? Basically, the longer it is, the more work and workload you'll probably have. So we also have those $79/month plans, 30 AI generations, etc., which are more advanced payment options. Honestly, comparing it to competitors, these prices seem normal to me, okay? I mean, these prices seem... Even the basic annual plan at $15/month seems very cheap if you'll use it regularly. And, well, that's how it always is, right? AI is very useful in cases where people need it, okay? I don't need it, but if you're in HR and constantly create presentations, paying for this tool might be a great idea, right? So, not much else to say. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in future videos.